So when using a tool like ChatGPT, a generative AI tool, it's often very difficult to figure out what should be provided with instructions, that what should we tell it so that it gives us all the data we require. Especially different and difficult when you're looking to create content. Say, for example, you're looking to create a white paper or an ebook. While it's still difficult to create a very long content, it's also challenging sometimes to think about what all context to give it. So today I'm going to show you one command you can enter that will help you guide through the entire content creation and actually make your life much easier, because it will guide you through every step to achieve your content. Right, let's dive into it straight away. All right, so the first thing we would do is to copy paste this command. And what we do with that is I will give the command here. All you have to do is just copy paste it. So it'll be at the bottom of the video. You just copy paste that across. This is the command. It's a very long command, and I probably won't bore you with the details of what's in it. But as soon as you enter it, it will initiate a series of commands for you. And I will guide you through this entire process. So when I enter this command, it sort of says Lumen, which is the name of this tool. Greetings, seeker of content wisdom. I'm Lumen, the Goodman Lantern Wizard, here to assist in your content creation journey, from detailed articles to captivating narratives. Blah, blah. And so it will then help you craft everything for you. So it says here, before I can conjure the perfect content mage for your need, might you share with me the content type you seek, content or subject matter, the primary goal you aim to achieve, and any tools or resources you'd like me to incorporate. Once I have the information, I shall craft the data plan. So it's actually giving you a very good narrative as well. So I can say, for example, I'm looking to create a short document on travel to London with friends, also with entrepreneurial friends for the weekend. Optimize it for SEO. Right, so they're given the instruction. Let's see what it does. And so it goes further and says, Lumen, a journey to the historic city of London with entrepreneurial spirit and tow. A quest both thrilling and enlightening. And then it'll start to ask more questions to really dig into the SEO part of it. I'll guide you in your quest by following these steps: keyword research, content structures, engaging instructions, detailed activities and places, optimize for SEO, conclusion, review and edit. So it's doing all these steps for you. It's very comprehensive in that way. Right, so the question is asking us now is, to begin, may I inquire, you have any specific keywords in mind? So I would say yes, I do. So I would like to optimize for entrepreneurs. I like to optimize for weekend trip. I like to optimize for London. I'll probably even say a location in London, which I think is, I consider to be the tech hub of London, Shoreditch. I'll also probably add a couple other ones as well. So I might add, for instance, digital. And then finally, I might add AI. So let's see what comes up. And then we leave that to it and see what it comes back with. So it likes our choice. So now it'll craft the content for us. And there you go. So it start doing that for us, craft the content for us. So it's taken from us, it's actually asked us what we need first, and then it's creating the content for us, optimized for SEO, because this is what we asked it to do. It's taking the keywords as well, it needs to do. So you don't need to think about what data to enter. It actually asks you questions. And so if you change the information from a guide or a white paper to an ebook to a recipe. It will ask you appropriate questions. So you need to think about what to enter. It will then guide you through the entire process. And you can see, I would say it's fairly comprehensive. It kind of talks about Shoreditch, talks about London, talks about ultimate weekend trip for entrepreneurs, and it's a bit of an off topic, I must say, but it's not very long, so I asked to keep it short. We can see that it's done a reasonable job in doing that for us. And so after we review this, you can also ask to make adjustments. So for example, I can say, can you also include coffee shops within the guide for digital entrepreneurs? And then let's see if you can do that for us. So again, very niche topic, very unusual topic, ideas that rank for this. So yeah, it's going to now recreate this to include some coffee shops. So that was the previous version, and now it's making a new version with the coffee shop suggestions as part of it. So you can see it's a very comprehensive approach to creating content for you. I must admit, this is ideal for short form content, so it can't be very long as it were, but the suggestions it has over here are very appropriate. I mean, I've been to Ozone Coffee Roasters, again in Shoreditch, the book club again is in Shoreditch. I haven't been to the Origin Coffee, I must be honest with you, but there you have it. So it has added additional bits, and the rest of the content remains unchanged. So as I mentioned, we'll provide this code for you which you can use, and when you once you enter that, you can create any content for yourself. And what's amazing is that it actually guides you. There's actually a guide available for you. So this is what we call, many might refer to as AutoGPT. So it's automatic. It really allows you to achieve all the elements of the tool asking you what you need, a bit like a robot would actually do in the future, and it guides you the entire process. Hope you find this video useful. If you did enjoy the video, do like it, do subscribe, do leave a comment. Thank you very much, and see you next time.